Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to create this easy glam party makeup look. This is a bold look for girls who like experimenting with their looks. I'll be showing you how to achieve this look in easy steps. If you like this look, please continue watching and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. To start off, I have used this Colorbar primer onto my face so that it gives a smooth and even complexion. Next, I moved on to the foundation and I have used the Estée Lauder Double Wear foundation. Today, I have used my fingers to apply the foundation all over my face and it gives a really beautiful finish. I recommend this foundation to people who want a full coverage but who really want a very flawless and natural looking face. Next, I moved on to the concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'll be using it to highlight under my eyes and also on my eyelids. I'll be blending that using my ring finger. I'll use that banana powder from the NYX palette and I'll be using it on the places where I had applied the concealer before. This will set the concealer in place and avoid it from creasing. Next, I've applied the concealer around my mouth area, and next I'm moving on to the contour. This is the contour shade from the NYX palette and I've used that on the hollows of my cheeks, on the perimeter of my face and also on my jawline. I'll be blending that using a bigger blending brush. I've used that banana powder again to just chisel out the places where I had earlier applied the contour so that it looks more defined. I've also contoured my nose using that same contour powder. Moving on to the brows, I've used this brow kit from L'Oreal and I'll be using that to fill in the gaps in my brows and define my brows a bit. Next, I'll be using that shade Green Dreams from the Makeup Revolution Eyes Like Angel palette and I'll be using that shade to apply it on the eyelid. First, I'll be using a little bit of that eyeshadow and I'll be layering that up so that the color shows off easily. This is a very beautiful blue shade and it is very easy to work also. Next, I'll be using that Black Stars which is a grayish black shade and I'll be using it on my crease line. I've used a cotton pad because there's a little bit of fallout from the eyeshadow. Next, I'll be applying that same shade onto my lower lash line. I'll be applying a liquid eyeliner and I'll be creating a small wing. Creating eyeliner using a liquid eyeliner is really easy and it really requires minimal efforts to do so. Then I'm using this Kajal. I will be applying that onto my lower lash line. Next, I'll be using that shade Silver Star, which is a light silver shade, and I'll be using that on the inner part of my eyes and I'll be blending that. I'll be removing all the fallouts from the eyeshadow using a makeup remover wipe. Moving on to the concealer, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sable and I will highlight the under eyes. Because I've created a heavy smoky look, so I want my under eyes to look very clean and highlighted. Next I'll be using some compact powder to just conceal it. Next I have used that shade Lilac Shimmer from the palette, and I have applied it on the brow bones and also a little bit on the inner part of the eyes, and I'll be using that shade again to just apply on the inner corners of my eyes. Next I'll be moving on to the lips. This is the Lipliner Addiction from Rimmel, and I have used it to line and fill my lips. This is a very beautiful nude shade. Next I'll move on to the NYX lipstick in the shade Tres Leches, I am not sure, and I'll be applying that all over my lips. I'll be dabbing that excess lipstick using my finger. Next, moving on to the blush, I'll be using this blush from Colorbar. The shade is Sweet Scarlet, and I'll be applying that on the apples of my cheeks. Moving on to the highlighter, I will be using this Wet n Wild highlighter. I'll be applying that onto the bridge of my nose and on my cheekbones. Moving on to the eyes, I'll be using this Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara, and I'll be applying it onto my upper as well as the bottom eyelashes. I'll be applying that Kajal again so that the eyes look even more bold. And that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial. Please do let me know in the comments section below whether you want me to create this heavy bold eyes look or natural looks. I'll be happy to create all the looks that you desire. Thank you so much for watching this video.